how to install LOKLOKTV inside your TV box. So first of all, if you are going to the website like LOKLOKTV.com or whatever, you will find like this: download LOKLOK for Windows or Android device. But there is no option for LOKLOKTV inside your TV box. So here's how. First of all, you have to go to Telegram. Okay, and after going to the Telegram area, just search this is Punyoo clan. This is my group channel where you can find files inside it. Just click my membership here and then go to files and find the LOKLOKTV APK. So there is a lot of LOKLOKTV APK. First of all, just download the 19.3 MB and then 13.1 MB and then the version 1.2 13 MB. So just download the three of it because different TV box, different different TV box, different opening. So after you have save it inside your pen drive or other places, and then we go to the TV box area. Inside your TV box, first of all, you have to install the FX folder. FX folder is easier for you to access to your pen drive or SSD or anything else. And then another method is by using the send files to TV. You can search for my video for previous one on how I install LOKLOKTV using the send files to TV. So here's how to use the FX folder. Just install and then you can access to your media card, and then after that there are three LOKLOK. You can see this. You try to install each one of it, whether it is can be open or failure. So we try an error first. If there is a display, then it can open up. So this one you can't open it, and then you try another LOKLOK. This one also cannot, and then this one, the last one. So meaning my TV box, the latest TV box, only can open by using the older version, the LOKLOKTV 1.0.0 version. So and then you have to use your Android phone to access, but first you have to subscribe the standard version, not the other version, because the standard version you can access for mobile phone, desktop or TV. Okay, let's move on to the Android type. So here's the tips. If you want to subscribe it, make sure you subscribe the standard version and then choose the monthly subscription here, the 19 ringgit 89 cents using TNG or by using the card. And then after activated, then you can go for your QR code or using the scan QR code. Now let's try this. Confirm. Now you are successfully can use your LOKLOKTV by using your Android phone. Make sure you are using the standard purchase VIP and not the basic one, because basic doesn't have any TV option, but for standard, yes, you have there. Now you can enjoy your LOKLOKTV.